Hello, great morning everyone. I'm Teacher Ami from San Luis District, San Luis, Batangas. So we will discuss for this week the last lesson in Mathematics 7, first quarter about scientific notation. Our learning competencies writes numbers in scientific notation and vice versa. Represents real life situations and solve problems involving real numbers. Now, let us answer first learning task 1. How do you write the following in figures? So, numbers 1 to 5 answers only kung isusulat natin siya into standard form or into decimal form. So I hope clear, maliwanag, madali lang naman ang pagsasagot ng ating learning task 1 for this week. Now let us define what is scientific notation. Scientific notation is a system of notation express very large or very small numbers conveniently. It uses exponents so as not to require the use of many zeros, which can be confusing and lead to errors. A scientific notation is written in the form of a times 10 to the exponent of n, where 1 is greater than or equal to a or is equal or greater than or equal to 10. It is written as a number from 1 through 9 multiplied by 10 raised to the appropriate exponent. Now we have for example. Example number 1. The distance of the Earth from the Sun is approximately 93 million miles. Write this distance in scientific notation. So, ang pagsusulat natin, this is standard form. Ang exponent niya sa 10 ay positive. And 9.3 ang ating gagamitin. Then from 3 going to this 0, ika-count natin at yun ang kanyang exponent. 1 going to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, our final answer for 93 million is 9.3 times 10 to the exponent of 7. So, ganyan po natin i-rewrite into scientific notation. Example number 2, the given is the decimal form. In decimal form, change to scientific notation. So, understood, pag decimal form, ang exponent naman ng 10 natin ay negative at ang pagka-count natin para sa exponent ay going to the right. We will start from 7 hanggang dito. So 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, our final answer for the decimal form is equal to 7.4 times 34 times 10 to the negative 9. So I hope clear po ang example number 1 and number 2. Standard and decimal form change to scientific notation. Now, vice versa, the given is scientific notation to standard or decimal form. Example 3, write 4.7 times 10 to the positive 8 or to the exponent of 8 in decimal form or standard form. So, going to the right, 7, then yung natitira, yung 7 kasi 8 yung decimal places na gagamitin natin para makomplete ang standard form ng 4.7 times 10 to the exponent of 8. So, yung 7 dyan ay 0. Therefore, our final answer for 4.7 times 10 to the exponent of 10 is 470,000. Going to the right from 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, this is how to convert or the given the standard form, scientific form to standard form. And example number 4, the given is The exponent of 10 is negative, so it means ang decimal places na ika-count natin ay going to the left. So from 2 going to the left, so our final answer from 2 going to the left. So, ibig sabihin, ang 2 ay kasama doon sa 5. So, 5 minus 1 ay 4 zeros ang idadagdag natin to complete negative 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then point. Then, laging may zero sa unahan before the point. So, this is the scientific notation where the exponent is negative and changed to decimal form. So, I hope clear po sa bawat isa ang pag-convert o pag-convert from standard form and decimal form to scientific notation and scientific notation to standard form. Kapag ang given ay standard form and decimal form. Kapag ang given ay standard form, it means ang exponent niya pag i-change natin in scientific ay positive. Kapag naman decimal form, ang kanyang exponent sa 10 ay negative. Now, in scientific notation to standard or decimal form, understood, if the exponent is positive, that is standard form. And if the exponent is negative, it means we change it into decimal form. So I hope clear po sa bawat isa ang lesson natin for this week. Now we can answer ng maayos at tama ang ating mga learning tasks for this week. So, learning task number 2, letter A, write the following in scientific notation. And letter B, write the following in decimal notation kung siya ay in standard form or in decimal form. And learning task number 3, answer the following questions below. Express all your answers in scientific notation. A human heart beats an average of 80 beats per minute. Letter A, how many heartbeats is this in an hour? Letter B, how many heartbeats is this in a day? Letter C, how many heartbeats is this in a year? And letter D, about how many heartbeats is this in 80 years? So I hope maliwanag po kung ano po ang gagawin natin sa ating learning task number 2 and learning task number 3. Again, so I hope malaking help po ang video ito na naintindihan na unawaan natin ang lesson natin for this week about scientific notation. So, nasagutan natin o masasagutan natin na maayos ang lahat ng learning tasks and activities na ibibigay na ating teacher about this topic. So, again, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Keep safe. Happy learning, everyone. God bless.